Have you had a sweet potato salmon shepherd's pie? It was so tasty and healthy. You have to try this. Let me show you how this is done. First, I got my hot water going on. I'm going to turn on the heat. Okay, while this is going on, I got my pan over here. I'm going to go ahead and add some ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Okay, I'm going to throw in some spices over here. Half a teaspoon of cardamom, about a quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon of turmeric. And remember, turmeric is also anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, I always like to put some pepper in it. Half a teaspoon of salt. Also put some chili powder, spicy, just a little bit, that depends on you. Also going to put a teaspoon of liquid aminos, some Jufon sauce, some chicken broth. Oh, it smells so good. So, okay, there's still a few minutes for the sweet potato to boil. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and stir fry the onions. Some salt in the onions so they cook faster. Okay, the onions look done. I'm going to go ahead and remove these and then add the carrots and celery to this as well. About 25 to 30 minutes actually, so I know it's definitely done. Let me go ahead and put this off too and strain the sweet potato. Okay, the celery and the carrots look done. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions back to this mix. And I'll do the same with the salmon. Okay, to this as well, now that it's sitting down, I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. This will give it a good gravy. Okay, I got my sweet potatoes over here, and I'm just going to give this a quick mash. Okay, to the sweet potato, I'm just going to put a little bit of coconut milk as well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this together. First, let me go ahead and oil the pan. Okay, now that I got this put in a pan, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, 380 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, this is done. It's looking so good. I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the oven on broil for just 2 minutes. I want this to have a brown tint on the top. Oh, look at this, guys. It's looking so good. Oh, look at that. Wow, it's looking so delicious. I can't wait to try this. Look at the carrots in there and the celery. The salmon tastes so good and the marination is so tasty. You have to try this, guys. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please give this a like and a subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day.